Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about how to solve problem that the computer does not see the new SSD. I had such a problem when I inserted a new Samsung 990 Pro SSD. It was recognized in the BIOS but was not visible in my computer, disk manager or other disk programs. The problem is that the disk needs to be initialized somehow. Make a volume label so that can work normally. In my case, my new disk was visible only when created a new pool in storage spaces. Now I will tell you how to do this. So first of all, you need to type button Windows, type Control Panel, go to Control Panel, and here you can find the icon Storage Spaces. Click on it, and here you should create a new pool, and here you need to choose your new SSD and create a new pool. And after creating new pool, you should delete this new pool. And after these actions, the disk will be visible in disk management, and you will be able to continue to work with new SSD. It is also very important when you create a new pool in storage spaces on a disk. All data that is already on the disk will be deleted. This is important point to consider before creating a new pool or adding disks to an existing pool. This process erases all data as disk formatted and prepared to be a part of a storage pool. So after all of this, you might see disk management. Okay, create and format hard disk partitions. You might see your new SSD here. I hope I helped you. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.